Our magnet program is a very successful program to our school community and most importantly to our students. My vision is to expose all students to the potential of one day working, designing, and even creating solutions in a STEM world.
A small, focused school structure gives all students belonging, purposeful work, and meaningful feedback through stronger teacher-student relationships and tailored instruction. The smaller learning community leads to stronger academic gains, deeper social, emotional learning, and authentic career college readiness.
Our experienced teachers know this community, value our family, and truly believe in every student's potential. Learning here is joyful, purposeful, and designed to help students succeed now and in the future.
As a parent, I feel confidence knowing my child is in a small STEM magnet program because the close environment allows teachers to truly know each student.
I also love how the school spirit shown by teachers and students together make a very positive environment, driving every day to be enjoyable and welcoming. I like how my teachers are so enthusiastic and encourage us to explore new ideas and not be afraid to try, fail, and learn from our mistakes.
Candidly, students and teachers are able to achieve what we do because we are a magnet school.
Our students demonstrate their academic growth in numerous ways. Their scores on Smarter Balanced assessments are among the highest in SELA, in Southeast Los Angeles. Their academic grades and GPAs are among the highest as well. And their participation in STEM competitions provide opportunities for students to demonstrate and most importantly, explore potential STEM career pathways.
The Magnet program offers many STEM learning opportunities, one of which is becoming a member of a REC Foundation Area Drones Club. The Area Drones Club is a magnet club where students like me have the opportunity to engage in hands-on STEM learning. We learn how to program drones, practice piloting them, and use critical thinking and communication skills to successfully complete flight challenges and competition.
One experience that stands out to me is from the Magnet Filmmaker Club. One of the activities we did involved going around the school recording alongside a professional. The experience was wonderful as we, the students, were allowed to learn, see, and work hands-on with the cameras. It was fun and definitely further encouraged my interest in technology.
What made me want to join the Southgate STEM Magnet program was the opportunity to be able to learn through hands-on projects and experiments. For example, in 6th grade, we were able to study plant cells using the microscopes to understand cell anatomy. In 7th grade, we had a wonderful time dissecting sheep brains to understand the parts and the purpose of a brain. In 8th grade, to understand velocity physics and concepts such as Newton's laws of motion, we designed, engineered, and launched our own created rockets.
The Magnet EcoCycle Club provides students with a convenient way to dispose of plastic bottles properly. The funds earned through recycling are reinvested into school activities that promote student community building.
Our partnerships with great minds in STEM, UCLA EAOP, Northrop Grumman, and Cabrillo Marine Aquarium, allow our students to experience true and authentic real STEM projects and allow them to see firsthand what STEM careers and college paths actually look like.
I found it interesting to learn about different engineering pathways and hearing engineers discuss about their real-life jobs, which helped me understand what engineers actually do every day. Through the UCLA EAOP program, I found it interesting to understand how college preparation starts early, and UCLA representatives have inspired me to think more seriously about my future and how I can work toward my career in STEM.
Through the school-to-home partnership, every student has access to a device and internet at home and at school. This allows learning to continue beyond the classroom as students research, collaborate, create, and practice skills that prepare them for college and future careers.
Southgate Middle School STEM Magnet has earned recognition through awards like LAUSD Excelling Magnet Award, Maggie Award, WASC accreditation, and California PBIS Gold Implementation Award. As a parent, these achievements have truly given me peace of mind. This reassures me that Southgate Middle School STEM Magnet program has created a safe, supportive, and successful environment for my child to learn. I see these qualities reflected in my child's education every day. She strives to become a better student and feels supported by her teachers and challenged by the hands-on lessons. Overall, these achievements reflect a school that truly invests in its students and prepares them for the future.
Every day is an opportunity for students to make tomorrow a better day. Many times we worry about changing others when we could be using that energy to fuel our change, our path, our skills. So I say, be on time to your show, to your stage, your opportunity, your chance to be better. Be prepared. Be prepared always, because you never know who's looking, who's listening. Today might be the day that you get into the magnet, that you get into that high school that everybody dreams of attending. Maybe you get into that university with a full scholarship, into that career that you always dreamt of since 5th grade. So be ready to learn always. The more you learn, the more you realize you need to learn more. Fall in love with learning. It will change your perspective about this beautiful world of ours. Apply as soon as you can. Be part of this great opportunity here at Southgate Middle School's Magnet Program to prepare for a successful high school experience and to learn more about your interest in STEM. I look forward to seeing every single one of you. Thank you.